Good morning, children. Let's continue with the chapter number 18. So yesterday we have learnt about the fossil fuel, and in that we learnt about the coal. Today we will learn about the petroleum. Petroleum was also formed by the decomposition of marine animals and plants which were buried millions of years ago. So children, petroleum is also formed by the decomposition of animals and plants. Oil was thus collected in large underground pools called oil wells. So oil is been collected in a large underground pools which is called oil wells. It is obtained by drilling through the earth and extracting the oil from the oil wells. Petroleum is also known as crude oil. So petroleum is called crude oil. It cannot be directly used as fuel. So we can't use petroleum directly as a fuel. It is processed in refineries to produce many different kinds of fuels like petrol, diesel and kerosene which we use. So it has been processed in refineries to produce many different kinds of fuels which we use, that is petrol, diesel and kerosene. Petrol is generally used as a fuel in cars, two-wheelers and three-wheelers. So children, you must be knowing that petrol we used as a fuel in cars, two-wheelers and three-wheelers. Apart from ordinary petrol, unleaded petrol which does not contain poisonous lead is also available. Since the year 2000, only unleaded petrol is available in India. Diesel is used as a fuel in heavy vehicles such as trucks, tractors, ships, buses, railway engines and motorboats. So children, diesel is been used in the heavy vehicles. These are the heavy vehicles. Which are the heavy vehicles? Trucks, tractors, ships, buses, railway engines and water boats. It has more pulling power as a fuel than petrol. So diesel has the more pulling power as the fuel than the petrol. However, diesel engines are more expensive and heavier than petrol engines. So diesel engines, they are more expensive. They are very costly and heavier than the petrol engines. Diesel is also used to power water lifting pumps and generators. Aviation turbine fuel (ATF) is a special form of refined kerosene used in aeroplanes, helicopter, etc. So, in aeroplanes and helicopters, we use aviation turbine fuel. Kerosene is used as cooking fuel in many houses. So we use kerosene for cooking purpose, especially in rural areas. Kerosene is also used in houses for heating and lighting. So kerosene is also used in houses for heating and lighting. Natural gas is often found trapped along with oil under the rocky layers of the earth's surface. So children, natural gas is found inside the earth's surface, layers of the earth's surface with the oil. It is used as a fuel in vehicles in the form of compressed natural gas, that is CNG, or liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG. These fuels cause less pollution than other fossil fuels. So they cause less pollution than the other fossil fuels. The entire public transport system of Delhi now runs on CNG. So, in Delhi, the transport system is now run on CNG, that is compressed natural gas. This has helped greatly in reducing air pollution. So, this helped greatly in reducing the air pollution. Fossil fuels were formed over millions of years. So, children, fossil fuels, they were formed over millions of years. Their supply cannot be renewed as fast as they were being consumed. That is why they are known as non-renewable source of energy. Burning of fossil fuels releases many harmful gases which cause a lot of pollution. So children, if we burn fossil fuels, they release harmful gases which are harmful for our health and also they cause pollution. Diesel releases more pollutants than petrol does. Diesel, they release more polluted air than petrol does. Therefore, we need to be very careful about how we use these fuels. So we have to be very careful about how we use this fuel. So children, today we have learnt about the petroleum. In our next video we will see other fuels. Till then, stay safe.